Oh my God. Ellie, what's your drink? Okay, what's your name? Aha, Fasa Road no. Oh, Adiamra Hono. Okay. Why smile? It's in the shade. Shy smile no sun left. Yes. Yes, white buildings next asono. It's a kind of white buildings next asono 4. Who for like who kind of funny we are there is the next house was yellow building. Pacho Hono man. Pacho minutes. We do jump to one course.
Hello, madam. Me patrol me bra if you no more. Me patrol why. Aha. Baby a double China door. Aha. Baby mi mra. Mi rema me right hand side na me room ro. Na ka obetime share me adwona obonten ana Pachomate, madam. Pachomate, bro.
Come in. Okay.
Madam Pacho, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho.
Pacho.
Any embassy. Pacho say be a fresh and Fabian no say you delay and I say you are factory.
Oh.
Pacho say your service is a good man, dear.
Oh yeah.
Oh nice. Scan so I'll send you and so you saka. Yeah, that's next time we hear BB, what you're afraid of, bro. And then I say, me motor need disturb me. And wanting a money delay. Thank you very much. Oh, me brave, yes, but I'm okay. I'm okay.
But I tell you, you so, once I say the car ban, when you so
motor, maybe a motor rider. Me a special motor rider. I'm a good motor with it.
That's not it.
Oh, come Mr. Cranmore say.
When you share like me home, like women can.
Sir,
I guess if you are sorry, just if you are like what you mean, but I said to move now.
Open as a man, no credit, no credit. Of we will cry, I can. Patrol. What's it? Oh, nice.
Babe. I'm a faint among. What is it?
Oh, you want wait. Please, who is this?
He's a friend.
Pacho, is there any problem?
No question. Any question you have problem. Babe, wait. I don't know. Explain things for me well.
He's a friend.
A friend. Explain it.
Please, I'm a
Delivery guy.
Wait! I mention your name. Mahmoud.
Masa, I don't know about two.
No! I didn't mention your name! I mentioned your name!
Babe.
No! Wait. No!
Don't try your limits.
Don't!
Babe,
Don't!
don't.
See, it's your friend. Explain it for me.
Okay, fine. He's a delivery guy. And he said, I do like him. That's all. I asked him to sit down.
Yes. I'm motor rider.
My food.
Just check it. I feel the bed delivered by Johnny Mamma. So,
It's food. Here is it.
I've got that super shredder, so
Can't you see?
salad,
Can't you see?
rice, fried rice.
Huh? Can't you see? Oh.
So,
Young man, young man.
Oh, yes, sir, boy.
Young man, you know something?
Oh, come on.
A delivery boy like you. And there's somebody told you to bring a food inside room.
What does it matter?
It's changed a lot.
No, does it cause any harm? Tell me.
Honey, are you changing words with me?
I'm not changing your
So quiet and let me talk to the boy.
I'm not a boy, I'm a man.
Please.
I'm a man. Look at me.
If you're a man or you're a boy, me, I don't care. When did the last time somebody told you so you should bring a food and then you enter somebody's premises and then you come and sit there?
Do you know that this art is something else?
It happens most of the
Young
times.
man, if it's happening, those people over there, but not here.
Oh.
Please.
Please.
This thing will be the first and the last.
You see your brother.
No, he's not my...
Honey, any word from you have problem.
Oh.
I'm not talking to you.
You are talking to
I get it. I get it.
See, young man, listen to me very carefully. I don't want you to change with words with you. But what I want to tell you is this. Next time, you are the little boy. Open first and put them. Never get around. Don't go. Otherwise, you have problem.
Babe.
Do you understand me?
Babe.
Because one thing is that I submitted
Yes.
after you went there and something happened,
You get the problem.
you were
I
explaining
get you.
yourself.
Yes.
So please,
You are right.
get up.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you for your advice.
Okay.
Much appreciated.
Please, your name.
My name is Chinchina Chan.
Okay, you're welcome.
The international delivery guy around and
Okay.
all.
It's okay!
Mami, go jump.
Come on, sit down! Sit down! Where are you going? Are you going to squat this? Come on, get up. Come on, go. Go! Don't open your mouth. Come on, go.
I'll call you.
Honey,
Babe.
wait.
Babe.
Don't talk. Wait. One thing is that sometimes, you see this thing I may explain it to. Every day I'm saying this, how can a delivery boy enter one room to come and give you this food? Honey, what is your mind? What is happening here?
Laziness won't allow me to go out.
Laziness? So are you, wait, honey.
That's why I asked you
sometimes
inside. Come on.
You see, this thing sometimes you are doing that. I just make my mind, what is your mind?
I'm mad. Maybe that's what you want to say.
You order food, enter the house, go and collect it. You allow the person to come inside the room. And then after you come here and something happen, how can you explain yourself?
What's going to happen? Tell me.
Are you telling me?
What's going to happen?
I don't know, you yourself will know.
That
I don't
your
know what
calm
you
mind
will say.
there. What you say be a penno. I do feel with him. I just like the guy, Keke.
Like the guy who-
The road sits any, I don't know.
Yeah,
Half feelings been a woman. Oh, please. A jano crime, I'm a new crowd.
Now, those kind of things, you like too much.
You
What kind of life is
you
this?
I'm a new crowd.
Come and pack this your things and then...
I won't.
Pack it and...
You two
give
can
to
pack
her.
it. Blah, 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 maybe.
Wait a minute. Okay.
How many are Becho?
Now you know what you're doing. Now, Now I'm contacting what person that you're doing about me.
Daniel, no, Kunyana Dosso.
If
Baby, I'm in time.
you are a gracias trapade, where the me was in a bro. I buy your dasono, and I was sooner. What be a never know you do also. Hey, Franka, where came he?
My wasn't yet an passionate.
And I had it. I had a battle and just send him away. Na my brother imagine what I would have to God to help me. I bring my blego. My blego. Ha! Instead of you to take bread knife what a demo. Who be for what the one side that imagine and your problem. Stop it. Ah!
I have stopped. And I'm eating. That's it. For 2 minutes.
It's okay. Yeah! What the kind of go at 18 more? Ah, I don't know if I can this. When you tia, carry for good. Why you tea, Milo? What the carry for? Oh, fuck off. Ah!
I'm a misspell money.
Hey! I don't want Timiana. What did you know why you're woody? Mosquito heaven. Ever go? Ah!
Inspiration.
Hey, ma'am. I press I am here. What is spring to one and moody going?
You need be. Yeah, so, you know, and can't.
Now, wait, what would you the good team?
Say spray.
Oh, God.
I misspell.
Die. Where are the strain? Come from there. I didn't want to be here. I come here when you were fat. Fabio, remember me. No, no, quite one.
Julian.
Ah.
I'm doing my baby boy.
Who are the young
Me imagine baby.
Ah! Franka. Adia we wo fi ha no. Wo be je ye jai. Na sa de we ye nye se nye ma we wa ha.
No ka he. I'm sorry. Ade, entrance.
Franka. Tina de na go mu.
Entrance. I could say a cup of credit in Chinugu. Now, I'm a dick of food. Tell me, kind, also a bubble apple. Me kind.
What would the ya? You didn't see it. And a Buddha. What you think? Milo, monk, wouldn't see it as a camo. Are they here, Coco?
I love one. Mama, come back as a family and no tea. Mama.
Aja, Miss Row, or Bana within the mammy. Me pato me befana diako. Wabana within the bar while yasero. Me probably be before Banico. Ah, would be something why then. Would be a wayeti. Now would the million in there, wouldn't tree, and I would be no. What did you know? Ah, that's everything. Wayeti, what he explain. Having any good thing anymore. What you were saying in China, Nasaya Yeti. Ah, now I tell me, young guy, Tommy Sulman, who mentioned this at Danny or what the and you in a good patrol, and I was telling the other wire at the other Palaso. Sorry, ah, now that was the sign I will. Ah, no bad, my dear, you were just your young not to Wakuma. Who be control it? I just someone who comes a call. Ah, I just miss out. What the Papa Javi Abanina me. Me patrol me more often the Bebramo. Me pass at you. Whatever the Bebramo. Me dana me na da no so so ma head no. What so me o me dey me twa me kama me. What would your papa ka phone so? What would your papa ka? Ma ka to papa.
Abaka so mu ade. Afeni akma mu aska fo mu ade.
Wo beka te me mu ade. Ade a wo ye ne nya. Wo ye ti e ja ma me. Wo de nchegum e de having mosquito spray agum. E hina wo ti sai bani se bu ebita.
Pese ye hwam ana kurase e ka kokwa ye di enchi.
Aha ye kurase o. Aha ye krum. Krum na ye wono. Any beer open your eyes when you piano just a walk room.
O ka se me mani na nkata yo bie enie mani fra ye o se shatare na konkwa me o menu media mo na se mre ma me no aduane mo o ba ko ko to pa no na ewula gusu ni bi no feel.
Franka, I sit down now on the metal. I sit down with one jar. Me. Do you understand me? I sit down now on the metal. One jar. Who be whom ye the bad thing? What I say on the catch on? Because me can be picture one. Won't see. Why would the watching? And you will be out of here. Now, I don't want to bother you. I don't want to worry you. The behavior towards you is too much for me. I'm going to walk. I will come back. The piano. Make I will talk too much. Give it to me.
No, I feel.
Yeah, it's very good.
So I'm sure.
Yeah, it's very good. And very nice.
Wow.
Yeah, it's very nice, okay?
Okay.
So, what's your baby there? What's your baby home? Okay. Maybe I'm to be on my wife. About who and him saying? Who and him saying?
No, sir, Hannah, you see. And I shouldn't watch dinner. Why as a toy?
Ah, okay, my toy.
Me pay.
You mammy,
Me pay cobra.
Ah, you mammy, me the quite about me, Papa, never say a of you. Ah, that's so bad. Franka, my yellow. Fine. Let's see, go be a gate, mommy. Let's see, there could be a gate, mommy.
I have to.
Brother, could be a gate,
my bread. Why, my man, though? Why, my man, that? Why, see me so? Me.
I'm Buffalo.
You're laughing.
Exactly.
Agauchi.
Any problem? I'm laughing. If I finish, I will come.
Agauchi, I'm sick.
Oh, you are sick?
Yeah.
Oh, where is your husband?
My husband is not there.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Agauchi, I'm sick.
Okay, me too, I'm Buffalo.
I'm waiting for you. Or should I come?
Is that?
I should come.
No, I'm Buffalo. You want to come?
I'm sick.
Tell me if I finish. After I finish, I'll call you.
No, okay, I'm waiting for you.
Is that serious?
Yeah, I'm sick. Make her come.
No, I'll finish right now. I'm coming. Oh, you want to come?
Should I come?
You want to come?
Yeah.
No, I'm coming.
Okay. Okay, which way? Many come.
You go.
Go where?
Stand here. What is your problem?
I'm sick and I want to sleep.
And go and sleep in your room inside.
It's hot. I want a AC room. My husband disconnects our AC.
Your husband disconnects the AC. Okay, you go. You
Where?
Go inside. I'm coming. Go. Go now.
Let's go.
I'm following you. You don't want.
Let's go.
I did for your back. Go.
Okay, go.
Huh?
Go.
This guy, I don't know. What are you doing?
Oh, dear, I'm sleeping.
You are sleeping. I'm going to walk.
Come and sleep. I'll go with you. Come and sleep.
I should do what?
Come and sleep.
I am going to walk, oh sister. I'm going to walk.
I'll go with you. Come and sleep. Oh. I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
What is your problem? I'm going to walk now.
I'm sick, oh.
You are sick.
Come and sleep, okay?
Let me go and let me find some medicine for you.
No, medicine, no.
Let me find some medicine for you.
My sickness don't need medicine.
What you need now?
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Come and sleep.
And you go inside and sleep your room now.
Hot day there. No AC.
This is my AC too has spoiled. It's not coming. Only in a fan I'm using.
I'll open the window.
Let me go and open that window for you.
My window, you can't open it.
Why?
It's clack.
Sister, please. Stood up. I'm going to make this stand there. Okay?
I'll go with you. I'll go with you. I'll go with you. Go with you. Go with you. I want them. I'll go with you. I'm sick.
Is that serious?
Yes. Go with you, please.
Hey, your head is too hot.
Yeah.
What is happening? Let me go and buy you the medicine. Let me go and buy you some medicine.
No, come and sleep. I beg. Sleep.
I bet you.
Yeah, if you sleep, I'll be okay.
If I'm sleeping, you'll be good. I'm going to walk now.
No. Don't go.
I cannot sleep because I'm going to walk. Let me find some medicine for you and then you'll be okay.
If you call your wife, I won't be okay. So sleep.
Let me call. Where is my phone? Let me call somebody too.
Who?
Huh?
Go to. Don't go anyone. No.
Why are you shaking like this? Why I'm going to walk and then you are...
No. I'm sick. I'm sick.
Or maybe I should call your husband.
No. I will be more sick. Would you please help me? Oh, sleep.
Me too, I cannot sleep because I make late. I cannot sleep.
Okay, would you?
What is your problem?
Okay, would you please?
Oh, what poverty I have come across like this? What is happening to you? Why? Your stomach or your head or what?
I don't know. I'm really sick.
So what is exactly I have to do? Okay, let me hold you small and let's go out and I'll go and find you something too.
No.
Maybe
no.
you are.
No.
Why no? If I say that this, you say no. If I say this, you say no. What is wrong with you now? Huh? What type of sick are you sick? And I first say this, you say no.
My sick, if you tell me something I don't like, my sick become worse. So
okay.
Tell me what I like.
Okay, sleep. Sleep.
And you sleep.
You say?
Sleep and sleep.
Okay, you want me to sleep?
Yeah, me sleep, you sleep.
Okay, sleep small. Sleep. Get a sleep. Let me sleep. Sleep.
No sleep, no sleep.
No,
I'm not a baby. Sleep.
That you sleep
no,
small,
you
sleep small.
Okay, which is sleep? Sleep. Sleep.
I'm sleeping, so sleep.
Okay. Sleep well.
Okay.
Which
Jesus! By the blood of Jesus! Come on, get out! Are you come to touch me or are you come to rape me? You are watching my face like puppy. Come on, get out. Don't open that your mouth. If you open that your mouth, I will screen you alive. Okay, you will die. Come on, get out. Get out. So go. Get out. What is wrong with this? This girl wants to come on. Come on, go.
When in say cry. So when in say back to say, me chawa dia bra unchiaka. Oh ma kan fa credit score friend say I miss you bra. Uja go. So when you bema, you kan ban say when in say. Ara o ye hwan. Me mom na say me say my too low be man kan class na me. If you na kro, who me cry chem. You know my class and my side. Nyash she say, me chawa dia unchiaka. Anja na free me so.
See me for trouble. This guy is going to rape me. Hey! Hey, go!
Na me kunu ba na bona mania na so wife ba na bona mania. So when you meet me
Am I dreaming or what? So if like this girl, if I lose my temper, this girl will rape me or this girl will touch my body.